In this short video, I'll show you how to create a Facebook business page step by step. Did you know that having a Facebook business page helps you run effective ads and allows you to grow your brand organically through engaging content? Imagine the possibilities of reaching more customers, building credibility, and boosting your business, all with a well-optimized Facebook page. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. With our years of experience, we've helped countless users set up successful business pages, which allow them to easily attract followers and promote their products. Stay with me until the end to discover how to change Facebook page name. Now, let's dive into creating an FB business page. To start, log into your personal Facebook account. Facebook requires a personal account to create a business page for security reasons. Once logged in, follow these steps. On your homepage, click the three-line menu icon at the top right for desktop PC and Android devices or the bottom right for iPhones. Scroll down and select Pages. Inside the Pages section, click Create or Get Started. Select the option to create a page for public page. Enter your page name. This should reflect your brand or business name. Next, select a category that best fits your business, such as clothing store, education website, or local business. You can add up to 3 categories. Write a short and engaging bio that describes your business. For example, we provide high-quality fashion for every occasion. This should appear prominently on your page. When done, click Create. Facebook will create the page in a few seconds. The next thing is to add more information to reflect your business. To do this, select Promote your products or services, then click Continue. Now, add your business bio, website URL, business email, phone number, and location, if applicable. If you are an online business, you can skip the location step, and then click Next. Next, upload a profile picture using your business logo to maintain branding and also add a cover photo that represents your brand. You can use tools like Canva to create professional-looking images. Click on Add button or Edit Action button to choose an action, such as Shop Now, Sign Up, or Book Appointment. Link it to your website or any relevant platform, then click Next. At this point, your FB business account is almost ready. The next step is to invite your Facebook friends to like your page for initial engagement. Before we continue, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tech tips. Now, let's continue with setting up Facebook for Business. After selecting and inviting friends to your new biz page, the next step is to edit the settings to stay informed about your page. Keep both options at default and click Done. Facebook will automatically switch you to the new page where you can optimize and manage your page. To customize your page settings, click on the Professional dashboard to access advanced options like notifications, privacy settings, and insights. Ensure all relevant details are filled in to boost your page's completeness score. You may want to publish a welcome post introducing your brand. Include engaging text, images, or videos to encourage interaction. Use tools like Canva to design attractive posts or ChatGPT to generate engaging captions. Regular posting keeps your audience engaged. Once you hit 100 followers, check the Audience Insights tab to understand your followers' demographics and interests, and to guide you on what to post. But what if just made a mistake while choosing a name for your new page or simply want to rename an old business page? No worries. In this video linked here, I'll walk you through the simple steps to change your Facebook page name. Tap here to watch it after this video. To explore more Facebook video tutorials, click this card. Check the description below and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for tuning in.